Once upon a time, in the kingdom of Jayanagar, there reigned a valiant king named Chandrabhan. He was a devout devotee of Lord Vishnu. One day, a wealthy man presented a beautiful stone as a gift in his court.
Minister, how beautiful is this stone that we received as a gift?
Indeed, Maharaj, it is truly marvelous. What do you wish to do with it?
Make arrangements to carve a beautiful idol of Lord Vishnu from this precious stone.
As you command, Maharaj. In our kingdom, there is a sculptor named Kaushal. The idols he creates are extraordinarily beautiful and lifelike.
That's appropriate. Make arrangements to send this stone to him.
As you wish, Maharaj.
Minister, in a week, it will be Dev Ekadashi. We will place the Lord Vishnu idol in the temple of our kingdom.
All work will be completed on time.
The minister soon takes the valuable stone and reaches the kingdom's finest sculptor.
Sir. Greetings. Why did you go through this trouble? You could have summoned me instead.
Sculptor Kaushal, I have come to entrust you with an important task for the kingdom.
Which task, sir?
Kaushal, you need to carve a beautiful idol of Lord Vishnu from this precious stone.
Certainly, it will be done.
Ensure that the idol is ready before Dev Ekadashi. Maharaj himself will place it in the temple.
Go with certainty. I will complete it with full devotion and effort.
All right, sculptor. You will be rewarded full 100 gold coins for this task.
After the minister leaves, Kaushal gathers his tools. He begins striking the stone with his hammer and chisel, but despite numerous attempts, the stone remains unaffected.
You have been trying for many days, but there is no effect on this stone at all.
Yes, slowly. 3 days have passed, but no effect seems to be happening on this stone.
If the idol isn't ready on time, the king will be displeased.
I must quickly take this stone to the minister. I also need to inform him about this matter.
You should try a little more. After all, there is also the matter of 100 gold coins.
Oh dear! Even after so many strikes, there is no effect on this. So what will happen now?
Kaushal takes the stone and goes to meet the minister.
Sir, please forgive me.
What's the matter, Sculptor Kaushal?
Sir, I tried very hard to work on this stone, but it is impossible to carve it.
So, does that mean no idol can be carved from this stone?
Sir, it is impossible to craft an idol from this stone.
The minister had to fulfill the king's order by any means. Therefore, he took the stone and went to a simple sculptor in the village named Santaram.
Santram, you need to carve an idol of Lord Vishnu from this stone. Minister, to do the work of the royal court. I consider myself fortunate. But, Santram, you must complete it within 3 days. Yes, I will work day and night to finish it on time. You will be rewarded with 100 gold coins for this task. That is more than I have earned in my entire life.
Saying this, Santaram strikes the stone in front of the minister. The stone breaks with his very first strike.
I wish that sculptor Kaushal had made one last attempt. He would have been successful and would have deserved the 100 gold coins.
Santaram, ahead of time, completes the beautiful idol of Lord Vishnu. Often in our lives, there come moments when we lose confidence after facing a problem or after making a few attempts. But to achieve success, we must persevere.
That final attempt might just be the one that leads to success.